Have you ever tried building a card pyramid? One wrong move and it all comes crashing down. Frustrating, right? The same thing happens in your fitness journey. You work hard, follow crash diets, take supplements, and push yourself to the limits. But one wrong step, one diet failed, or a skipped workout, and it feels like you're back to square one. Over the years of working closely with clients, I've had countless conversations with women about their struggles. Like, I'm doing everything right, but nothing seems to work. I have tried every diet, but I just gain back the weight. I'm constantly tired and can't seem to balance my health with work and family. These conversations stuck with me. I realized that what most people need is not an extreme plan or a temporary solution. What they need is a strategic, sustainable approach, one that understands the body's needs, respects its limits, and helps it adapt gradually. That's when it clicked. I started piecing together everything I had learned from my own struggles, clients' experiences, and years of research. I thought, why not create a method that simplifies this entire process and makes fitness a smooth, enjoyable journey? So, after months of trial and refinement, the Transform X umbrella framework was born. It's a step-by-step approach that builds your fitness from the ground up, starting with the basics and progressively taking you to your best form. And when I handed this over to my clients, we started seeing miraculous results. Women losing weight without any crash diets, healing chronic pain, managing PCOD, thyroid naturally, and regaining their strength and confidence like never before. It was a game changer. Hi, my name is Ritika and I'm an internationally certified age reversal and health coach, specialist in female well-being and fitness. But there was a time when I had my own challenges up front, which were pulling me down with every passing day. After my marriage, a 6 to 7 hour sitting job, 3 kids, including a twin pregnancy, 2 years of bed rest, a fall from the stairs, a major knee injury, what and what not. My health started taking a backseat and my weight reached 98 kgs. With time, I started getting severe back pain, knee pain, and body stiffness. I literally started feeling old and extremely fatigued. Simple things like walking up the stairs felt impossible. I tried everything, extreme diets, weight loss pills, supplements, but nothing worked. In fact, these so-called solutions made things worse. I didn't have time for hours at the gym. One day, as I looked at myself in the mirror, I realized I had 2 choices. Either accept this life or fight for myself. At that time, I decided to take charge of my health and started my fitness journey. With family and work, balancing with this new regime was difficult. But I set my goal and with great dedication and consistency, in an year span, I was able to lose 30 kgs and successfully reversed my age by 17 years. I then started working, learning, and growing my knowledge horizon in female health and fitness. After all these years and with my hefty experience, I have been privileged to help over 10,000 women to reclaim their youthful and fitter selves. Let me now share some inspiring stories of how the Transform X umbrella framework has changed lives. Richa had been struggling with PCOD for years, irregular cycles, low energy, and stubborn weight gain. Doctors had put her on multiple medications, but nothing seemed to work. When Richa joined us, we customized her workouts and nutrition plan using our unique framework, and in just 7 months, she lost 18 kgs, balanced her hormones, and regulated her menstrual cycle naturally. Today, she is full of energy and medications. Pooja and her husband had been trying to conceive for 4 years without success. After following our program focusing on hormonal health and stress management, Pooja finally conceived within 6 months. Now she is a proud mom and says this program was the best decision she ever made. Neha was diagnosed with hypothyroidism and had almost given up on losing weight. She felt tired all the time and struggled with her mood. With our program, we focused on improving her metabolism through gradual strength training and balanced home-cooked food. Within 4 months, Neha reduced her medication dosage and lost 12 kgs without any extreme efforts. Now her energy levels are back and she feels stronger, happier every day. Anjali, a busy working mom, came to us with type 2 diabetes. She had been relying on insulin for years. By focusing on strength and cardio sessions combined with a simple home-cooked meal plan, she managed to reduce her insulin dosage significantly and stabilized her blood sugar levels within 5 months. Aditi was suffering from chronic knee pain for years and was afraid to do any kind of physical activity. We created a customized plan with joint-friendly exercises that strengthened her muscles and improved her flexibility. Today, she is back to hiking and cycling, pain-free and confident. So what makes this program truly unique? You don't need expensive superfoods, fancy diets, or supplements. We show you how to enjoy the food you love with just a few smart tweaks. Every workout is tailored to your needs and health concerns. Whether it's PCOD, thyroid, postpartum recovery, knee pain, back pain, or slip disc, we'll guide you with modifications and support you on every step. This isn't a quick fix plan. It's a lifestyle change that guarantees you won't gain the weight back. You'll learn how to sustain your progress for life. We respect your privacy, for which during a live Zoom sessions, participants can't see each other, but only the trainer can see everyone. This means you can focus on your workout without feeling conscious or judged. To ensure you get the best experience, we keep our batches small. This allows us to correct your posture, motivate you, and give you the individual attention you deserve. We ensure that you remain on the heights of your motivation with our monthly fitness challenges and exciting cash rewards. Top performers are celebrated on our wall of fame, so you'll always have a reason to push harder and stay consistent. This program isn't just about workouts. It's about building a supportive community, boosting your confidence, and transforming your health. Let's understand more about the Transform X Umbrella Framework. It is a scientifically proven method that builds your health, fitness layer by layer, without any extreme diets, without any fancy supplements or complicated routines. This strategy is designed especially for women, helping you achieve lasting results without sacrificing your health, happiness, or your favorite home-cooked meals. The model stands on 3 essential pillars: structured workouts, personal nutrition, and expert consultation, all guided by strategic game plan, which is the secret sauce. Let me break it down using this image. Structured workouts. These aren't just random workout plans. They are carefully crafted and customized based on your fitness levels, goals, and health conditions like knee pain, back pain, postpartum recovery, thyroid, PCOD, and more. You get 7 flexible time slots that ensure that no matter how busy your schedule is, you can always find time to prioritize your health. Weekend recorded sessions give you the freedom to work out anytime, anywhere. Focus mode on Zoom ensures complete privacy during workouts so that you can focus on yourself without feeling self-conscious. We offer a structured pattern of workouts that help you in holistic fitness with strength and conditioning training on the top of our list, followed by cardio and core workouts, HIIT, yoga, face yoga, and Zumba. Our live interactive sessions are high energy and offer personalized attention with small batch sizes, ensuring every client gets postural corrections and motivation from the trainer in real time. Personal nutrition. No fancy diets or supplements, just simple home-cooked meals that you and your family already eat. We focus on portion control and balanced nutrition that fits your lifestyle. You get a dedicated nutritionist support for meal tracking and personalized meal plans that adapt to your progress and preferences. Whether you are managing diabetes, thyroid, PCOD, our nutrition plans are designed to improve your health naturally. We have had clients reduce medication dosages and even conceive after years of trying. Expert consultation. I and my expert trainers are always available to address your health concerns and make necessary modifications. We hold weekly progress reviews and consultations to ensure you are on track. Last, the strategic game plan. It's what brings everything together and ensures your workouts and nutrition are aligned with your individual goals. Our 5-year sustained result policy guarantees that you not only achieve your fitness goals, but also maintain them. Our program is designed for women of all fitness levels who want to transform their health and well-being in a sustainable, holistic, and enjoyable way. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to overcome long-lasting health challenges, this program is for you. If you ever stood in front of the mirror, frustrated with the way you feel, or silently wished for a change but didn't know where to start, this program is for you. This is your chance to break free from failed diets, wasted gym memberships, and unkept promises to yourself. This program is designed for women like you, strong, busy, and determined, just needing the right push, a proven strategy, and a supportive hand to help you thrive. So, if you are a new mom trying to recover from pregnancy and feel like yourself again, struggling with PCOD, thyroid, diabetes, or health issues that make the weight loss feel impossible, battling with knee pain, back pain, or slip disc, and scared of doing the wrong workouts, a busy woman juggling career, family, and responsibilities, thinking, I don't have time for myself. Someone who's tried fad diets, endless workouts, and is tired of nothing working. This program is for you. Now imagine how your life could change. What if you could wake up every morning feeling light, strong, and full of energy? What if you no longer had to rely on medications for thyroid and diabetes? What if you could finally conceive and start the family you have been dreaming of? That can be your reality, and it can start today. Our new batch begins this Monday, and spots are filling fast. We keep our batch sizes small for personalized attention, and spots fill up quickly. If you miss this opportunity, you'll have to wait weeks for the next one. You have two choices today. You can wait for the perfect time, and we all know that perfect time never comes. Or you can take control right now and give yourself the gift of health and happiness. This program is not just about changing your body, it's about changing your life. You have heard the stories, you have seen the results. Now it's time to create your own story. We'll be with you every step of the way, motivating you, guiding you, and celebrating every victory together. Don't wait for another Monday to pass you by. Click the link below and book your spot today.